Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into the Shark IZ462H Vertex ultra-lightweight cordless stick vacuum. Spoiler alert! It's the best Shark Vertex IZ462H available in the market. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about what you get straight out of the box. The Shark IZ462H comes with a powerhouse of features, including dual clean power fins, a pet multi-tool, anti-allergen brush, and a versatile crevice tool. Plus, it's all backed by the Shark brand, known for its quality and home cleaning solutions. Now, let's break down some key features. The IZ462H boasts hyper-velocity accelerated suction, ensuring incredible cleaning performance in an ultra-lightweight design. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, you'll have plenty of time to tackle every corner of your home. One standout feature is the Dual Clean Power Fins technology, providing continuous contact with all surfaces. Whether it's digging deep into carpets or directly engaging hard floors, this vacuum picks up more dirt in every pass, making your cleaning routine a breeze. But wait, there's more. The MultiFlex technology allows you to bend the wand for easy access under furniture and fold it over for compact, freestanding storage. No more wrestling with bulky vacuums or struggling to reach tight spaces. Concerned about allergens? Fear not. The Shark IZ462H features HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen complete seal, capturing and trapping dust, dander, and more, ensuring cleaner air for you and your family. So, why choose the Shark IZ462H Vertex? With its powerful suction, innovative technology, and user-friendly design, it's clear why this vacuum stands out from the crowd. Say goodbye to cumbersome cleaning routines and hello to a sparkling home with the Shark IZ462H. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy cleaning!